Why vaccines? Are the ones provided to prevent COVID-19 even safe? Expert epidemiologist Professor Figueroa gives us his take. Simple and to the point.
I have been practicing medicine and public health since the 1970s. And in the 1970s and 1980s, many of the childhood diseases that are now prevented by vaccination were very common. We would have outbreaks of measles in which thousands of children would get ill, many would die, and now we do not see this at all. Many people do not realize that Jamaica and the Caribbean was the region that led the world in eliminating common childhood diseases that were preventable by vaccines. Now, these vaccines, many of them that we're giving the children now, and is keeping them healthy, come from the same manufacturer in India, the Serum Institute, that produces the AstraZeneca vaccine that we're using in Jamaica to prevent us getting ill from COVID.